I say stay off of it? So why you touch it? You don't know. Why you being bad? Cause I left. But you know that don't give you no reason to do it. That don't give you no reason. Can I talk? Can I speak? Can I speak? Hush. Don't tell me no. What you do it for? Why you being bad? I don't care. That's still not an excuse. Cause you mad. You being a bad boy. You being a bad boy. Be quiet. I'm not yelling at you. I'm not yelling at you. I'm not yelling at you. So you ain't gotta yell at me. You so pretty, but you so bad. You so pretty, but you so bad. You know what that mean? Quiet. You know what it mean. You know what that mean. Quit grunting.